In previous class, we have covered topics like traversing of string and one more thing, concatenation operator and replication operator. These topics we have covered in previous class. All the topics that are related to the string, or string is nothing but it is a group of characters which are written enclosed in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Mm, String comes under immutable type. Immutable means which cannot be changed, which cannot be modifiable. जो बदल नहीं सकती वो होती है string. ठीक है, string क्या है? Immutable type का है. Now today's topic is membership operator. Membership operator, we have two membership operators for string. These are in, or second one is not in. In operator returns true if a character or substring exists in the given string. Means substring means part of the string. Substring means part of the string. If whole string or a part of the string exists in a main string, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Then similar definition of for not in, it returns true when a character or substring does not exist in given string. Does not means मान लो नहीं है, नहीं आती है, तो उस टाइम पर it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Means not in operator is just reverse of in operator. Syntax for this is string in string. String, this means this string we want to find. ये जो स्टार्टिंग वाली स्ट्रिंग है इसको मुझे सर्च करना है कि ये मेन स्ट्रिंग के अंदर अवेलेबल है या नहीं है. ठीक है, सो हियर यू कैन राइट एनी कैरेक्टर और सब स्ट्रिंग, बट हियर यू हैव टू राइट होल स्ट्रिंग. होल स्ट्रिंग मीन जो आपकी मेन स्ट्रिंग है वो आपको पास करनी है, तभी ये सर्च करेगा कि इसमें अवेलेबल है या नहीं है. इफ स्ट्रिंग इज अवेलेबल in main string, then it return true, otherwise it will return false. Similarly, string not in string, that means it return true when substring or single character is not present in main string. जब present नहीं होगा तब ये return करेगा, जब present होगा तो return false return करेगा. Look this example, like 12. 12 is written in quotes, that means it is a string. In xyz, xyz is your main string. Check it, 12 is present in this main string. Is it true or false? This 12 is present in this main string. Is it true or false? Reply me. Very good. False. Very good. False. Because 12 is not present xyz. That means it will return false. Here 12 is not in xyz. It is written like this, 12 not in xyz. Yes, it will return true because 12, this string is not present in this main string. Yes, में नहीं present है और not लिखा हुआ है. That means it will return true or first one return is false. Like this. A is a character in here. क्या A here में present है? Is it true or false?
True.
Yes, true. Because this A is present here in this main string. Yes, it will return true. Similarly, JAP, Jap. Jap is present here in here. Reply me.
False.
Very good. False.
False.
False. Very good. False. So it is not present in this main string. So it will return false. Similarly, Jap is present in Japan. Yes. Now Jap is present in Japan. It will return true. Then this Jap is present in Japan. No. Why? Because here Jap, J of Jap is written in small letter, whereas J in Japan written in capital letter. That means it will written false. देखा है ना, false, because J letters case are different. Cases are different means here in Jap it is written in lower case letter, or in Japan it is written in upper case letter, means capital letter. Now next, Jap, not in Japan, it will return true, because here J is small, or here J is capital, or operator name is not in. Not in means जब मैच नहीं करेगा then it will return true. जब मैच नहीं करेगा तब वो true करेगा not in के केस में. Clear? Then 1 2 3 not in hello. Yes, it is true, because 1 2 3 is not present in main string hello. Is it clear or not? This concept is clear or not? In or not in operator?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, see, in and not in operator can also work with string variable. Look this. Sub equals to help. Sub means substring. Then next main string is helping hand. This is the main string. Sub to help in capital letter. Now check. Sub in string. Sub. What is the value of sub? Sub is a variable. Sub is a variable which hold help. So value of sub is help in string. What is the value of string? Helping hand. This is the value of string. Now check. Help is present in helping hand. Yes or no? Help is the value of sub. It is present in main string helping hand. It is present. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Very good. It is present. If it is present, then it will return true. It will return true. The answer is true. Then similarly, sub to in string. Sub to, the value of sub to is help in capital letter, or the value of string is helping hand. Here, this help is not matched with helping hand. Why? Because help is written in capital letter, or here help is written in lowercase letter. The case are not matched. Not matched, so it will return false. Clear? It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now sub not in string. Sub not in string means help. Value of sub is help, or not in helping hand. Yes, it is false. Why? Because not in is written. Operator name is not in. Similarly, sub to not in string. Answer is true, because it is not matched. Not matched, in this case it will return true. Next, next operator name is comparison operator. Next operator name is comparison operator. Means it's just same as relational operator. Relational operator. देखो, there are Python standard comparison operators like all relational operators, just like less than, greater than, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, or not equals to. These all are the name of comparison operator. So either you have to say comparison operator, or you have to say relational operator. Both are same. The comparison using these operators are based on standard character by character comparison rules. Means step by step. आपको step by step लेके चलना है यहाँ पर. Clear? Wait a minute. Look this. It will compare character by character. लिखा ना, character by character comparison rule it will follow according to the Unicode. According to Unicode. Unicode means universal code. Look, a equals to a, so it will return true, because both the characters are written in lowercase, or its ASCII value, Unicode value is same. Then ABC equals to ABC. Yes, it will also return true because both are same. Now A not equals to ABC. Yes, it will return true. Why? Because A is matched with this A. It is true. But after that, nothing is present. After the A, no one character is present here. So that means this left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So according to this, it will return true. Now capital A not equals to small a. This also return true because the ASCII value of capital A is 65 and the ASCII value of small a is 97. Both are different. So it will return true. Now ABC is equals to ABC. This will return false. Because of this, ABC is written in uppercase, means capital letter, and this ABC is written in lowercase letter. That's why it will return false. Then ABC not equals to ABC. It will return true. Why? Because this is not equal to this one, और ऑपरेटर नेम इज नॉट इक्वल टू. नॉट इक्वल टू वो खुद ही कह रहे हैं कि नॉट इक्वल टू, हाँ यस नॉट इक्वल टू है क्योंकि दोनों बराबर नहीं है, तो इट विल रिटर्न ट्रू बिकॉज केस आर डिफरेंट. देन look this ordinal value. Ordinal value means ASCII value of these number. So 0 to 9 means its ASCII value is ordinal value is from 48 to 57, means the ASCII value of 0 is 48, then ASCII value of 1 is 49, ASCII value of 2 is 50, like this. Similarly, capital A to capital Z, ASCII value is 65 to 90. That means ASCII value of A is 65, ASCII value of B is 66, like this. Similarly, ASCII value of small a to Z, that is 97 to 122. Look this. A is smaller than A. It will return false. Answer is false. Why? Because the ASCII value या ordinal value of A is 97. Ordinal value of small a is 97 and the ordinal value of capital A is 65. So it will compare its ordinal value, means ASCII values की compare होगी. Now 97 is less than 65. According to this, it is false. Look this. Unicode value of lowercase letter is higher than uppercase letter. So it is not lesser. तो ये lesser नहीं है. That means it will return false. Similarly, ABC is greater than AB. Yes, it will return true. Why? Because A is matched with this A, B matched with second B matched with this B, and this C. C is not matched with another character. So this time it is greater. Yes, it is greater, so it will give true. Similarly, ABC is less than equals to ABC. D, false. Look this, here number of characters are 3, here number of characters 4. According to this, ऐसा लग रहा है कि this right side part ABCD is more than ABC, but it is not true. ये सही नहीं है. Why? It will compare character by character. It will compare character by character. First character compared with first character. So according to this, it is false. So no need to match another character. Look, A, value of A is ordinal value of A is 97. Ordinal value of capital A is 65. So according to this, it is false. So no need to compare another character. जब पहले के अकॉर्डिंग ये false हो गए तो बाकी कैरेक्टर को कंपेयर करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. तो it will return false. Similarly, look this. ABCD is greater than ABCD. Look this. It will return true. Why? Because this A, first A compare with this A. According to this, both are equal. No change. कुछ भी अभी आप रिजल्ट नहीं निकाल सकता. रिजल्ट अब नेक्स्ट चेक करो. B is compared with this B. Both are same. Then C is same as this C. No change. यहाँ पे कोई change नहीं है. Next D. Here D is written in small letter, or here D is written in capital letter and the ASCII value of small d is more than ASCII value of capital D. So according to this, it will true. Look this, because string ABCD and ABCD are same till first three letters. देखो first three letters जो हैं ABC से ABC तक ये दोनों क्या है same है. But the last letter of ABCD has lower ASCII value than last letter of string ABCD. तो means इसकी जो ASCII value है वो small है as compared to this one. So according to this, it is true. Is it clear? I am asking to all of you, it is clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, determining ordinal Unicode value of a string means how will you get ordinal value? To get ordinal value by using this function. Function name is ORD. ORD stands for ordinal. Ordinal value. Here you have to write any single character. So according to that, it will provide its ordinal value. Like ordinal ORD capital A. So its ordinal value is 65. Clear? Or if you want to get a particular character according to the ordinal value, so you have to use function CHR. CHR means character. ठीक है? CHR means character. If you want to get character according to its ordinal value, then you have to use CHR function. Like CHR function name, then 65. 65 जो वैल्यू होती है वो एक ही होती है. Like CHR 97. 97 is the value of small a. Means CHR function will return character according to the ordinal value. Similarly, ordinal ORD function will return number according to the character. Then string slices. String slices. Slice means part. Slice means क्या होता है? Part. जैसे आपने पिज्जा देखा होगा, पिज्जा के हिस्से बनते हैं, तो ठीक है, तो उसका एक स्लाइस लिया आपने. तो सिमिलरली स्ट्रिंग स्लाइस मीन्स पार्ट ऑफ मेन स्ट्रिंग. किसी मेन स्ट्रिंग का कोई पार्ट होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रिंग स्लाइस. लुक द डेफिनेशन हियर. पार्ट ऑफ अ स्ट्रिंग कंटेनिंग सम कंटिन्यूअस कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम द स्ट्रिंग. ठीक है, पार्ट ऑफ स्ट्रिंग मीन्स मेन स्ट्रिंग का कोई हिस्सा जिसमें कंटिन्यूअस कैरेक्टर आते हैं. क्योंकि string means group of character in a continuous manner. So similarly, part of string size is also a part of string in a continuous character from the string. वो भी एक तरह की string होगी, but वो सब string कहलाएगी आपकी. String size is a sub string. Look this example. Here, word is a string. Word is a variable of string type. Word एक variable है जो string type का है, and its value is amazing. Value is amazing. AMAZING. Amazing is the value of this word variable. Word is a string type variable. जो word है वो string type का variable है, उसकी value amazing है. अब इसका यूज बहुत जगह होने वाला है, इसलिए बता रहा हूँ बार बार. ठीक है. Now forward indexing. Look this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called forward indexing. Then look this. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. This is called backward direction, backward indexing. ठीक है. तो स्ट्रिंग को आप ट्रेवर्स कर सकते हो फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. ये कल सीखा था हमने, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन और बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन. Look. Word, if you write like this, word 0:7, 0:7, that means it start from 0th index and finished at size -1. जो लास्ट होगा, जो 7 दिया है, 7 में से एक कम कर दोगे आप, that is called 6. तो इसका मीन्स ये 0 इंडेक्स से लेकर 6 इंडेक्स तक आपको सारे कैरेक्टर्स रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. लुक दिस. क्या लिखा है? letters starting from 0 index going up till 7 - 1, that is called 6. तो तो मीन्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 एंड फिनिश्ड एट 6 फ्रॉम इंडेक्सेस 0 to 6, both inclusive. Both inclusive means you have to include 6 as well as 0, दोनों को आपको इंक्लूड करना है. तो लुक दिस, 0 इंडेक्स पे क्या है a, 1th इंडेक्स पे m, 2nd इंडेक्स पे a, then 3rd index z, then 4th index I, 5th index N, 6th index G. So complete is amazing. It will display amazing. If you are writing like this, word 0:3, that means it will display from index 0 to 2. देखो ये 0 से स्टार्ट करेगा और 2 तक जाएगा. Why? Because इंडेक्स क्या है 0 to 3 minus 1, 3 में एक कम करोगे that is called 2. तो आंसर क्या आएगा 0 to 2. तो देखो it will display only this much, AMA. Start from 0 index, then 1 and then 2. So it will display आंसर क्या आएगा AMA. Similarly, if you want to display this one 2 to 5, so start from 2nd index and finished at 4th index. 4th में क्यों? Because last value is 5. 5 minus 1, that is 4. So it will display AZI. Because in second place में क्या लिखा हुआ है A, third में Z and 4th I. So it will display AZI. So this is called string slice. String slice means part of main string in a continuous manner. मेन स्ट्रिंग का ये क्या है एक हिस्सा है, एक पार्ट है, तो उसको हमने क्या बोल दिया स्ट्रिंग स्लाइस बोल दिया. सिमिलरली यू कैन राइट इंडेक्स इन नेगेटिव मैनर. नेगेटिव मैनर मींस इन बैकवर्ड. लुक फॉरवर्ड -7:-3, -7:-3, it will display AMAZ. Look this, -7 to -3, -3 that means -4 तक जाएगा, because -3 -1 एक कम होता है, -3 -1 that is -4. तो start from -7 index, that is A, then -6 M, then -5 A, then -4 Z. So it will display AMAZ. Similarly, word -5 to -1, -1 that means एक कम हो जाएगा, एक कम होगा that means कहाँ तक जाएगा -1 -2 तक जाएगा. तो it start from -5 till -2. So AZIN, it will display AZIN. It is clear or not? This concept string slices. Any doubt? Please ask.
Yes, sir.
I am asking to everyone. Everyone. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Next. Look this. In a string slice, the character at the last index is not included in the result. Yes, last character include नहीं कर रहे हम, ठीक है. Look this. If you are not written starting value, word :7 is written. That means by default it will start from 0 index. ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेगा 0 से करेगा and finished at 7 - 1, that is called 6. मतलब लास्ट इंडेक्स को नहीं टच करेगा, लास्ट इंडेक्स से पहले रुक जाएगा, ठीक है. तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड फिनिश्ड एट 6, तो इट विल डिस्प्ले होल अमेजिंग. लुक दिस, 0 to 6, whole amazing it will display. Next, word :5, so it start from 0 and finished at 4. Look this, only 5 characters it will display. Then if you are written starting index कि कहां से शुरू करना है, so this time we want to start from 3rd index. 3rd से शुरू करना है, लेकिन फिनिश कहाँ करना है ये नहीं बताया, तो it means it will finish till last. जहां तक लास्ट है वहां तक चलेगा ये. तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 3rd इंडेक्स एंड फिनिश्ड एट लास्ट. लास्ट वैल्यू G था, तो ZING. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 5 एंड फिनिश का बताया नहीं है, तो ये लास्ट में फिनिश कर देगा NG only. Clear? If you are not given starting value, so by default it will start from 0th index और इफ यू आर नॉट गिवन एंडिंग वैल्यू तो इट विल गो टिल एंड, जहां पर स्ट्रिंग खत्म हो रही है वहां तक चले जाएगा पूरा। देन इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फ्रेंस, इंटरेस्टिंग चीज क्या है, इफ यू राइट लाइक दिस एस कोलन एन, तो दिस टाइम यू हैव नॉट गिवन स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू, प्लस plus is a operator, plus is a operator, then s n colon, s n colon, that means here you have given starting value not given ending value। तो इसका मीन्स क्या हुआ, ये जीरो इंडेक्स से शुरू करेगा अपने आप ही और एन तक जाएगा, यहां से एन से स्टार्ट करेगा और लास्ट तक जाएगा, तो इट विल गिव योर ओरिजिनल स्ट्रिंग बिकॉज प्लस साइन इज रिटन। प्लस का मीन्स कॉन्कैटिनेशन, we have two operators, one is concatenation operator and second one is replication operator, so here plus sign is written, that means it will concatenate, concatenate means merge। look this word 3 colon and word colon 3, that means start from third index, so it will display ZING or it will display 012, so this means AMA like this, or if you have written plus sign तो it will complete it, ये पूरा हो जाएगा, complete होगा, amazing, it will display। next example, word 1 colon 6 colon 2, that means this is the starting value, starting index, this is the ending index, starting index, ending index, or this one is called step value। step value means if it is positive then it increment, or if it is negative then it will decrement, ऐसा कुछ होगा। look this, तो means it will cover first number 1, then it will cover 3, then it will cover 5। why, because 1 में 2 प्लस किया 3, 3 में 2 प्लस किया 5, नॉट मोर देन 6, 6 से ज्यादा नहीं बढ़ना है, 6 से कम ही रुकना है, तो 1 3 5, तो एट 1th इंडेक्स m is written, then 3rd इंडेक्स पे z, and then 5th इंडेक्स पे n, तो it will display m z n। word next example, word -7 -3 then 3, that means start from -7th index, then increase 3 because 3 is a step value, तो -7 then +3 करेंगे उसमें, -7 + 3 that is -4, -4 + 3 that is -1, लेकिन -1 तक हम जाएंगे नहीं क्योंकि हमें जाना कहां तक है, -3 is the last value, -3 से एक पहले, that means -4 तक जाना है, तो it will display only 2 characters, that is A and Z। this example is clear or not, this one example -7 और -3 वाला, it is clear or not, reply me,
Sir, please explain again.
okay, -7 -3, then this is called step value। go to the example here, diagram, what is the value of -7, from here you have to see what is the value of -7, this is the -7, -7 में क्या है A, then add 3 because 3 is its step value, when you add 3 in -7 you will get -4 because minus plus minus you will get 4, 7 में से 3 माइनस करोगे तो आपको 4 मिलेगा इन नेगेटिव, तो आ गया माइनस का 4, तो इट विल डिस्प्ले A देन Z। अब -3 के बाद -4 के में आप +3 करोगे, आंसर आपको मिलेगा -1। यहाँ ZG तो लिखा है बट आपके क्वेश्चन में लास्ट इंडेक्स क्या दी है, लास्ट इंडेक्स इज -3, दैट मीन उससे एक पहले आप रुक जाओगे, एक पहले का मतलब -3 + 1 दैट इज -4, तो -4 पे आपको रुक जाना है, तो -4 से आगे आप जा नहीं सकते, तो इसका मीन्स से सिर्फ आपको 2 कैरेक्टर देगा, फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर इज A एंड सेकंड कैरेक्टर इज Z, सिर्फ ये डिस्प्ले करेगा, यहाँ ये पहुंचेगा नहीं because this is out of range. ये जो है range के बाहर है. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then similarly, if starting value and ending value both are missing and only step value is given, so means it will take every second character from backward side. Backward means it will use backward indexing. Backward indexing use करेगा और पीछे से सारे कैरेक्टर देगा दो दो के गैप में. Look this. First it will display G, then it will display I because +2 में ये आएगा गैप का, then A and at last A. Answer is G, I, A, A. This is the final answer. Look this. G, I, A, A. This is the result. It will cover every second character from the backward side. Similarly, it will cover string in reverse order because no starting value is given, no ending value is given. So every character it will pick backward side. Clear? Then index out of bound cause error with string, but slice a string outside bound does not error. Means कह रहा है कि मान लो आपके पास 6 कैरेक्टर की क्या है एक स्ट्रिंग है और आप सर्च करना चाह रहे हो स्ट्रिंग 7 नंबर पे, स्ट्रिंग 7th प्लेस पे कौन सा कैरेक्टर आ रहा है, then it will generate an error in case of string. Look this, index out of bound cause error with string. मतलब स्ट्रिंग में 6 कैरेक्टर्स हैं और आप 7th कैरेक्टर सर्च करना चाह रहे हो तो इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन द स्ट्रिंग, तो इट दैट टाइम इट विल जनरेट एरर. बट स्लाइसिंग अ स्ट्रिंग आउटसाइड द बाउंड, यदि स्ट्रिंग स्लाइस में कोई आउट ऑफ बाउंड जाता है देन इट विल नॉट जनरेट एरर, उसके कारण से कोई एरर नहीं आएगी. लुक दिस हियर, क्या लिखा है s इक्वल्स टू हेलो, s इक्वल्स टू हेलो एंड प्रिंट S5, print 5, but 5 is not present. Look this, H is stored in 0th index, then E stored in 1 index, L in 2 index, then second L in 3 index और O in 4th index. ये इंडेक्स स्टार्ट होगी 0 से 4 तक, बट इंडेक्स नंबर 5 में कोई भी कैरेक्टर प्रेजेंट नहीं है, तो इट विल कॉज एरर बिकॉज 5 इज invalid index, that is out of bound. So it will generate error. But suppose that we have written like this, s equals to hello, print s 4:8. 4:8 means it will start from index number 4 and